Have you ever wondered how those colorful plastic bricks you played with as a kid are made? Lego has been around for over 80 years and has become a household name in the world of toys. But have you ever stopped to think about the incredible process that goes into making each and every one of those bricks? From designing the molds to injecting the plastic, the process is nothing short of fascinating. Today, we're going to take a behind-the-scenes look at how Lego bricks are made, from start to finish. You'll see the intricate work that goes into each and every step of the manufacturing process, from the initial designs to the packaging of the final product. Get ready to be amazed at the precision and detail that goes into creating the toys that have brought joy to millions of people all around the world. So, grab your favorite Lego set and let's dive into the world of Lego brick production. Lego bricks come in all shapes and sizes, from the classic 2x4 brick to more complex pieces with specialized functions. But where do all these designs come from? That's where the Lego designers come in. Lego employs a team of over 200 designers who are responsible for creating new brick designs. These designers come from a variety of backgrounds, including industrial design, architecture, and graphic design. They use a combination of creativity, technical expertise, and computer software to bring their ideas to life. The design process begins with brainstorming and sketching. Designers work individually or in teams to come up with new ideas for brick designs. They sketch their ideas on paper and then build physical prototypes using actual Lego pieces. Once they have a prototype, they use computer software to refine the design and make sure it fits with existing Lego pieces. This is important because one of the key features of Lego is the ability to connect pieces together to create larger structures. The designers need to make sure that their new pieces will work seamlessly with the existing ones. After the design is finalized, it goes through a rigorous approval process. The designers present their new piece to a panel of Lego executives and fellow designers. They discuss the design, making sure it meets Lego's high standards for quality and playability. If the design is approved, it moves on to the mold-making process. Each design requires a separate mold to be created, which involves precision engineering and the use of specialized machines. This ensures that each brick is uniform and consistent in size and shape. It's amazing to think that each new brick design goes through such a detailed and careful process before it even becomes a physical product. But this attention to detail is what makes Lego such an incredible toy. In the next section, we'll take a closer look at the mold-making process and how Lego creates the molds that are used to make their bricks. Once a new Lego brick design has been approved, it's time to create the mold. The mold is essentially a metal negative of the brick design, which is used to create the plastic bricks themselves. Creating the mold is a precision engineering process that requires skill, experience, and specialized machinery. The mold-making process begins with a 3D computer model of the new brick design. This model is used to create a master model of the brick out of metal, which is then used to create the mold. The master model is created using a combination of milling and hand-finishing techniques to ensure that it matches the exact specifications of the computer model. Once the master model is complete, it's used to create a mold insert. The mold insert is made of a high-quality steel alloy that is able to withstand the high temperatures and pressures used in the injection molding process. The mold insert is created using an electric discharge machining (EDM) process, which uses an electric spark to precisely cut the metal into the desired shape. The mold insert is then mounted into a mold base, which is typically made of a less expensive material such as aluminum. This mold base holds the mold insert in place and provides the channels and cavities necessary for the plastic to flow through. Before the mold is used to create actual Lego bricks, it's thoroughly tested to make sure that it meets Lego's strict standards for quality and consistency. This involves testing the mold using a test shot, which is a single shot of plastic that's injected into the mold to create a single brick. The test shot is then examined for any defects or imperfections, and adjustments are made to the mold as necessary. Once the mold is approved for production, it's used to create the plastic Lego bricks themselves. The mold is loaded into an injection molding machine, which heats up the plastic pellets and injects them into the mold at high pressure. The plastic quickly cools and solidifies, taking on the shape of the mold. The mold is then opened, and the new Lego bricks are ejected from the mold. They're then inspected for any defects or imperfections and sorted according to color and size. From there, the bricks are packaged and shipped out to stores all around the world. The process of making the molds for Lego bricks is incredibly detailed and precise, and it's what allows Lego to create bricks that are uniform and consistent in size and shape. In the next section, we'll take a closer look at the injection molding process and how Lego creates the plastic bricks themselves. Once the molds have been created, it's time to start making the Lego bricks themselves. This is done through a process called injection molding, which involves injecting molten plastic into the mold cavities and allowing it to cool and solidify into the desired shape. The injection molding process begins with the raw materials, plastic pellets that are typically made of ABS, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, or a similar plastic material. The pellets are fed into the injection molding machine, which melts them down and injects them into the mold cavities. The mold cavities are the spaces inside the mold that define the shape of the Lego brick. They're created by the mold insert and the mold base, and they're designed to be precisely the right size and shape to create a uniform and consistent brick. Once the plastic has been injected into the mold, it's allowed to cool and solidify. The mold is then opened, and the new Lego bricks are ejected from the mold. They're still connected to a small piece of plastic called a sprue, which is removed in a separate process called finishing. The injection molding process is highly automated, with sophisticated machines and computer controls that ensure that the plastic is injected at the correct temperature, pressure, and speed. This helps to ensure that each brick is identical to every other brick, with no variations in size or shape. Lego uses a variety of plastic colors and types to create their bricks. Some bricks are made of a single color of plastic, while others are made of multiple colors or have printed designs on them. The injection molding machines are capable of injecting multiple colors of plastic into the mold at the same time, which allows for some very complex and intricate designs. In addition to the standard Lego bricks, the injection molding process is also used to create specialized pieces such as wheels, doors, and minifigure parts. These pieces require more complex molds with multiple cavities and may involve additional finishing steps, such as painting or printing. The injection molding process is a key part of what makes Lego such a unique and popular toy. It allows for incredible precision and detail in the design of each brick, and it ensures that each brick is consistent and of the highest quality. In the next section, we'll take a closer look at the finishing process and how Lego prepares the bricks for packaging and distribution. After the Lego bricks have been injection molded, they go through a finishing process to prepare them for packaging and distribution. This process involves removing any excess plastic from the bricks and adding any necessary markings or designs. The finishing process begins with the removal of the sprue, which is the small piece of plastic that connects the brick to the mold. This is typically done using a combination of cutting and sanding techniques, which are designed to leave the brick with a smooth and uniform surface. Once the sprue has been removed, any additional markings or designs are added to the brick. This may involve printing or painting, depending on the specific design of the brick. Lego has a high degree of control over the quality and consistency of the finishing process, which helps to ensure that each brick meets their exacting standards. After the finishing process is complete, the bricks are sorted according to color and size. This is typically done using automated machines that can quickly and efficiently sort thousands of bricks per hour. The sorted bricks are then packaged into bags or boxes, depending on the specific product. Lego takes great care to ensure that their bricks are safe for children to play with. This involves testing the bricks for various safety standards, including testing for the presence of harmful chemicals and ensuring that the bricks are durable and resistant to breakage. Once the bricks have passed these safety tests, they're ready to be shipped out to stores all around the world. Lego has a highly efficient distribution system that ensures that their products are available in stores across the globe.